A to Z alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. Apple meaning save. B for ball. B for ball. Ball meaning gain. C for cat. C for cat. Cat meaning Billy. D for dog. D for dog. Dog meaning kutta. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant meaning hathi. F for fish. F for fish. Fish meaning machli. G for goat. G for goat. Goat meaning bakri. H for house. H for house. House meaning घर. I for ice. I for ice. Ice meaning barf. J for juice. J for juice. Juice meaning juice. K for key. K for key. Key meaning chabi. L for line. L for line. Line meaning share. M for mango. M for mango. Mango meaning arm. N for nose. N for nose. Nose meaning naak. O for orange. O for orange. Orange meaning Malta. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Pigeon meaning kabutar. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen meaning Malka. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit meaning Hargosh. S. S for sun. S for sun. Sun meaning Suraj. T. T for train. T for train. Train meaning railgadi. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella meaning chhatri. V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Vegetables meaning sabziyan. W. W for watch. W for watch. Watch meaning gadi. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Xylophone meaning xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo meaning yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra meaning zebra. Bye bye. Thank you.